A while back I posted a review on one of the Scag Vride 52-inch mowers, and I had some requests from people that wanted to see the mower in action. So I don't really have a good video of that. Maybe I'll get one later on, but here's a short one that I have of me running the mower. It's not the best video, it's just one that I had, so I just thought I'd throw it up. It's actually a 61-inch in this video. The review I did was on a 52, but I do have another one I'm gonna post of a review on the 61-inch, kind of comparing those two. So anyway, just thought I'd throw this out and see, just give you a little bit of what it's like when it's running and kind of being on the mower. So I'll post some more later on. So thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe.